Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys a super easy song. So this song was requested, so if you have requests, let me know. I had never heard the song before, so I was glad to learn it. But yeah, if there's other songs you guys want to learn, let me know. Please hit like and subscribe so you'll get notified when I come out with new songs, with the songs that you request in other videos. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. So this song is in standard tuning, has a capo on the 3rd fret, it's really easy. It's only got 3 chords. The strumming pattern is not super difficult. I'll show you a couple ways you can play it. The way that it's actually played, I believe, is I'm going to show you that way first, then I'm going to show you another way, a couple other ways that are like really easy and they're the same rhythm for you. So the chords you're going to use D. Okay, so D, and you're going to use A. All right, and then you're going to use G. I don't care if you use this G or this G. Just do whatever's easier for you, okay? But I think it's actually more like this G, okay? And then you're just gonna go back to D. So the chord progression for the song, I think the entire time, and I could be wrong, but I think it's D, A, G, D, okay? So now here's the strumming pattern for it. It's down, mute, and then you do down, mute on D, and then you do A, down, up, mute, okay? Then you're just going to repeat that. So you go to G, down, mute, down, up, mute, 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 down, mute, down, up, mute. There is a part later in the song where he really slows it down. For that, I would actually just do single strums. You're just going to do D, A, G, D. Okay, so you're just going to play that later. Now, the way that a couple other easy ways you can strum it if it's easier for you to sing with it is you could just do down, mute, down. So you could just do down, mute, 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 down, mute. Like I'm saying, that's not actually right, and but it's pretty close. Another way you could do it that'll just sound good, if you want, that's easier, is a little bit easier for me, I think anyway. It's just down, so you just do down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute. Sorry, that makes me go out of breath to say that. So you're just going to do down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute. So you're just doing down, up, mute, okay, the whole time. Now, that's actually the way you play the whole song. It's not that difficult. Let me know if you guys have questions in the comments and stuff, but it's not a difficult song. Or you could just do the way I said it at the beginning. Just like that. Anyway, that's how you play it. It's a super short tutorial on this one. And you can just do that throughout the song. Yeah, I'm not going to show you where you do it with every lyric because it's the same for all of the lyrics. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.